welcome to the trade table. Today, we are going to discuss how to reset Fujitsu mini split. A reset is often necessary if your Fujitsu mini split isn't functioning correctly. Locate the reset button on the indoor unit and press it for 3 to 5 seconds to reboot the system, resolving minor issues. Steps on how to reset Fujitsu mini split: locate and press the reset button on both indoor and outdoor units for 3 to 5 seconds to reset them to factory settings. Afterward, reconfigure settings as needed. Power cycling by turning off the circuit breaker for 30 minutes can also help restart the units. Common issues when resetting a Fujitsu mini split: filter replacement. Replace a clogged filter to improve airflow and efficiency. Clogged drain line. Clear any debris from the drain line to prevent the unit from shutting off due to clogging. Low refrigerant. Low refrigerant levels can lead to inadequate cooling and require professional servicing. Power problems. Check the circuit breaker or wiring if the outdoor unit doesn't turn on, seeking HVAC technician assistance for complex issues. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you're looking to buy a mini split, be sure to check out thetradetable.com, the best mini split store online. Have a great rest of your day.